What is the most effective way to remove harmful bacteria from your hands? A. Wiping with a dry cloth. B. Rinsing under cold water. C. Washing with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. D. Using hand cream. Answer: C. Warm water and soap, combined with thorough rubbing for at least 20 seconds, effectively remove bacteria and reduce the risk of food contamination. Which of the following foods is most likely to cause food poisoning if left at room temperature? A. Dried pasta. B. Cooked chicken. C. Whole apple. D. Sealed chocolate bar. Answer: B. Cooked poultry supports rapid bacterial growth if not kept below 8 degrees Celsius or above 63 degrees Celsius, leading to foodborne illness. When must disposable gloves be changed during food handling? A. Once per shift. B. Only if torn. C. Between handling raw and ready-to-eat foods. D. At the end of the day. Answer: C. Gloves can transfer bacteria. They must be changed after handling raw food to prevent cross-contamination. What temperature should a fridge operate at to keep food safe? A. Below 8 degrees Celsius. B. Below 10 degrees Celsius. C. 12 degrees Celsius. D. 15 degrees Celsius. Answer: A. The legal and safe limit for refrigeration in the UK is 8 degrees Celsius or below to slow bacterial growth. Which of the following is an example of a high-risk food? A. Canned beans. B. Raw carrots. C. Cooked rice. D. Dried fruit. Answer: C. Cooked rice can support bacterial spores if left at room temperature, making it a high-risk food. Which statement best describes cross-contamination? A. Mixing different types of cooked foods. B. Movement of bacteria from one surface or food to another. C. Cooking food for too long. D. Cooling food too quickly. Answer: B. Cross-contamination happens when harmful bacteria transfer from raw to ready-to-eat foods, often via hands or utensils. Why should food handlers keep fingernails short and clean? A. To improve comfort while working. B. To prevent dirt and bacteria from collecting under them. C. To make gloves fit better. D. To avoid damaging food packaging. Answer: B. Short, clean nails reduce the risk of bacteria hiding under the nails and contaminating food. When should a food handler report an illness to their supervisor? A. Only if feeling very unwell. B. Only if taking medication. C. If they have diarrhea or vomiting. D. If they are tired. Answer: C. Vomiting or diarrhea may be caused by infectious bacteria. Reporting ensures they don't contaminate food. The use-by date on food indicates: A. When the food should be sold. B. When the food should be eaten for safety. C. The date for best flavor. D. When the food was packaged. Answer: B. Use-by dates show the last safe day to consume perishable food. Eating it after this date may cause illness. If food drops on the floor, it should be: A. Picked up and rinsed. B. Wiped and reused. C. Discarded immediately. D. Used if it looks clean. Answer: C. Floors harbor harmful microorganisms. Food dropped must be thrown away to avoid contamination. What is the correct order when cleaning a work surface? A. Rinse, disinfect, wash. B. Wash, rinse, disinfect. C. Disinfect, wash, dry. D. Wash, dry, disinfect. Answer: B. Cleaning removes dirt before disinfecting, ensuring the disinfectant can effectively kill bacteria. Why should food be covered during storage? A. To make it look neat. B. To prevent it from drying out. C. To stop contamination from dust or pests. D. To make it easier to stack. Answer: C. Covering food keeps out dirt, insects, and bacteria, maintaining hygiene and safety. Which one of the following items must be cleaned and sanitized frequently? A. Delivery notes. B. Fridge handles. C. Office pens. D. Windows. Answer: B. Fridge handles are often touched during food preparation, becoming a hotspot for bacterial transfer. Food handlers should avoid touching their face while working because A. It's unprofessional. B. It makes gloves sticky. C. It causes sweating. D. It can transfer bacteria to food. Answer D. Touching the face can spread bacteria from hands to food or work surfaces, increasing contamination risk. What should a food handler do if they accidentally touch raw meat and then need to handle salad? A. Continue working carefully. B. Wash hands thoroughly before handling the salad. C. Wipe hands with a towel. D. Use hand sanitizer only. Answer B. Washing with soap and warm water removes harmful bacteria before touching ready-to-eat foods. What is the safest way to defrost frozen food? A. Leave it on the counter overnight. B. Under cold running water. C. In the fridge. D. Near a warm radiator. Answer C. Defrosting in the fridge keeps food below the danger zone temperature where bacteria multiply. Which of the following statements about food poisoning bacteria is correct? A. They can be seen with the naked eye. B. They multiply quickly at warm temperatures. C. Cooking always kills all bacteria. D. They only live in raw meat. Answer B. Bacteria thrive between 5 degrees Celsius and 63 degrees Celsius, the danger zone, and multiply rapidly in this range. Which of the following actions helps prevent pest infestations? A. Leaving bins open. B. Storing food off the floor and sealed. C. Keeping windows open at night. D. Leaving crumbs on worktops. Answer B. Storing food sealed and off the floor removes access for pests like rats and insects. A color-coded chopping board system is used to A. Improve presentation. B. Match the kitchen design. C. Prevent cross-contamination between foods. D. Make washing easier. Answer C. Using different colored boards for meat, vegetables, and fish prevents harmful bacteria transfer. If a food delivery arrives with damaged packaging, the food handler should A. Accept it but store separately. B. Reject it immediately. C. Clean the package and keep it. D. Repack it. Answer B. Damaged packaging may allow contamination or spoilage. Such deliveries must be refused. What should be done if a food handler cuts their finger during work? A. Continue working without telling anyone. B. Cover it with a blue waterproof plaster and wear gloves. C. Wash it quickly and ignore. D. Use any color bandage. Answer B. Blue plasters are highly visible and prevent physical contamination. Gloves add protection from bacteria. What is the correct method to cool cooked food safely? A. Leave on the counter until room temperature. B. Place immediately in the fridge while hot. C. Cool rapidly within 90 minutes before refrigeration. D. Keep under warm lights. Answer C. Cooling quickly before refrigeration prevents food from remaining in the danger zone too long. What is the correct method to cool cooked food safely? A. Leave on the counter until room temperature. B. Place immediately in the fridge while hot. C. Cool rapidly within 90 minutes before refrigeration. D. Keep under warm lights. Answer C. Cooling quickly before refrigeration prevents food from remaining in the danger zone too long. Why is cleaning schedules important in food premises? A. To ensure cleaning is done regularly and effectively. B. To decorate the kitchen. C. To replace missing staff. D. To impress inspectors only. Answer A. Cleaning schedules create accountability and consistency, helping maintain hygiene standards daily. Which of the following is a sign of pest infestation? A. Food labels missing. B. Droppings or gnaw marks. C. Shiny work surfaces. D. Closed cupboards. Answer B. Droppings, gnaw marks, and grease trails indicate pest activity and require immediate reporting.